In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Wealthfront account, step-by-step tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what to expect along the way, so the process feels smooth and stress-free. First, sign into your account on the website or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you can receive any security codes if two-factor authentication is enabled and that you're on a trusted device and network. Before you proceed, it's helpful to quickly review your recent activity so you're aware of any pending deposits or withdrawals that could pause the closure. It's also a good idea to download statements you might need later for records or taxes. Once you're on the home dashboard, locate your cash account and select it. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're opening the correct one by confirming the account name and details shown on the screen. Going into the wrong account can lead to confusion, so take a second to verify you're in the right place before continuing. Next, look toward the top right of the account screen for the Manage option and select it. This opens the area where you can handle important settings and changes. Think of this as the control center for your account, profile details, connected banks, and in this case, account closure. From the Manage section, scroll all the way down until you see Start Account Closure, then select it. It may be near other administrative options, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. When you choose this, Wealthfront typically presents information about what closing does, including what happens to your remaining balance and access to statements after closure. Take a moment to read any notes on timing or constraints. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to confirm your decision and, if applicable, select what to do with any remaining funds. You may be prompted to verify your identity or acknowledge any terms related to closing. If you receive a notice about pending transactions, simply allow those to complete and return to the closure flow afterward. When everything is confirmed, submit the closure request. You should see a confirmation on screen and may receive an email summarizing the action. Save that for your records. If anything doesn't look right, check for pending transfers, make sure your linked bank information is up to date, and reach out to support if you need help. And that's it. Your cash account closure is underway. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward.